This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10.50 in free money fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any comments, questions, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to tell you about my new free money giveaway. So I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers, and I want to get there pretty fast, guys. So I want to get there in a couple of weeks. I know that sounds like that's impossible, but I believe I can make it with you guys' help. So the guidelines to win the free money once I receive 5,000 subscribers is going to be in the comments below. But I'll go ahead and tell you the most important thing you need to do is be a subscriber and watch this video all the way to the very end. And look for a code word. It's going to pop up in the video. So as soon as you see that code word, type that down in the comments below. And when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that typed the code in the comments, and I'm going to reward that person the free money, and maybe 2 people. So if you don't understand the guidelines, just scroll down to the comments. It's going to be at the top, show you step by step what you need to do. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this site and show you how you can earn $10.50. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the Google Play Store, and I put up this app. It's called GeoPoll. So it is a survey app, but it's a different type of survey app. This app, you're going to be answering surveys that's going to help people all around the world during this time. What's going on in the world? You know what's going on. So doing these surveys is really going to help out everybody around the world. So you're going to be doing a good deed here. So let's just look at some of the screenshots right quick. So it says, contribute your voice to the world, complete surveys and other tasks, get rewarded for your ideas. As you can see there, there's a screenshot of how it looks. And run your own free surveys, so you'll be able to run your own free surveys, guys. And you can do it with a crew of people. You can do it with your friends. And you'll be able to complete surveys and other tasks too. So let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So it says join GeoPoll, download GeoPoll app and register using your phone number, work remotely, earn credit by completing surveys and other easy tasks, get paid, redeem your credit for airtime, mobile money, global rewards, or even PayPal. So guys, if you just don't want the money through PayPal, you can get some airtime for your mobile phone, because I know there's a lot of people all around the world that maybe need some minutes for their mobile, because we got to keep that communication going, and we need those minutes on their mobile phone. But let's go ahead and scroll down here and read a little bit more. So, benefits of GeoPoll. Share your opinion and help the world's largest organization make decisions earn money from online surveys and other easy tasks. It doesn't feel like work. Work at your convenience, at home, in the office, or on the go, on your smartphone. You can earn by inviting your friends and family to Geopol community. Take advantage of Geopol's technology and members to run your own surveys for free via Geopol community poll. That's I've never heard of a survey app where you can run your own surveys. You know what I'm saying? That's something else. So now let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.9. It's close to that 4.0 mark. And I always say anything 4 and over is good, so it's close enough. Now let's just read a review here. So it says here, I'm going to read this person right here, Samuel. This is such a wonderful application. It will actually reward you for doing just regular service. And most applications have been over. Hasn't given me this opportunity. My daughter these days is very difficult, but it is a self-made by data. He's probably not good in writing in English, but it seems like he likes the app. So this is a happy person right here with this app. So guys, go ahead and check out this app. This is a real pretty good app. You're going to get to make some money real fast with these surveys. It's going to help out people all around the world, and you're going to make money from it. So go to Geopol in the Google Play Store. Now I have one more app I want to show you right quick, so I'm going to go to that one right now. Okay, I'm at the next app, and this app is called Premise. Take photos, earn money. So here's a video you can watch and shows you a little bit more about how this app works. And let's just look at some screenshots. So complete tasks, earn money. Over 1,500,000 paid worldwide. So this is a worldwide app, guys. So people all around the world can use this app. So you can complete surveys and take photos of your city. Sounds pretty fun, guys. And share local knowledge. No, that's pretty good, guys. Sound like it's going to be a fun app here if you want to go ahead and check it out. But let's go ahead and read some more right quick. Earn money by completing simple tasks and get paid. Share your opinion or take photos in and around your city to earn cash rewards through PayPal or Bitcoin. So with this one, all you need to do is do some simple tasks, and you're going to be taking photos. So if you like taking photos, it's going to be fun for you, because taking photos can be fun. Now let's scroll down here and read a little more. Let's see. Right here it says earn money from tasks and photos. Choose tasks that fit your lifestyle based on how much time you have. Earn more when you do more. Share your opinion, get paid for your insights. Your opinion matters. Make an impact, earn real money by sharing real data to drive real change. So this is another app where you're going to be sharing data and making a change in the world, guys. So let's scroll down here and look at the rating. Now, I know this rating is kind of low. Out of 5 stars, it's 3.5. I know that's kind of low, but anytime it's low, it could be something going on. Maybe that app is not working at that particular time, is at its best. But the people that run these apps, they always correct the issues with the apps. And guys, I'm not going to read all these reviews, you can come over here, check out the app, read the reviews, download it, and see if it's something that you would like to go ahead and start making money with. So go ahead and go to Premise, Take Photos, Earn Money in the Google Play Store. Okay, guys, thank you for checking out my video. Now, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about both of these apps. And don't forget to type that code word down in the comments below when it pops up on the screen. And please share this all around the internet so I can try to help as many people I can to make money online. And last but not least, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again. Really appreciate you guys' support. So make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.